Hey folks, Kate is just a little bit scared of a toy he recently received. Little, it's a little Phillies dinosaur. Got some disco music playing, and he is just terrified of it. Won't even look at it.
Watch. It's coming back. Hey, look, the dinosaur's coming back.
He's starting to cry. Poor thing.
Look, there he is.
Just tuck and run, grab mommy, and hope for the best.
It's the funniest thing.
Kate. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. I know. Kate, hey. Hey, buddy. Look, he was staring right past me at the dinosaur. He said, I got you right here.
Look, here he is. You wanna go get him?
Can you clap?
Can you say yay?
Can you clap?
Yay! Where is he? Is he stuck? Oh no. There he is! There he is!
All right.